Let us understand how to reverse a string as well as concatenate multiple strings. Let's load SQL Magic and also let's create this environment variable called as database underscore URL. If you want to reverse a string, you can just use the reverse function. It can be applied either on top of a literal or on top of column value. We will see example very shortly. We can concatenate multiple strings using concat or concat underscore ws. Concat underscore ws is typically used if you want to have the same character or set of characters between all the strings that are being concatenated. For example, if you have year, month and date like this, and if you want to concatenate all these three things with hyphen or forward slash, then using concat underscore ws make it a bit more readable. We will see that example in a moment. For now, let's start with reverse. This is how the reverse look like. You can specify the string like this, or you can also specify column. All the column values will be reversed for us if we specify a column. In this case, as we have only one string, it just reversed that string. Now you can use concat function like this to concatenate multiple strings, or you can also use it like this, where a literal is concatenated to the column value order status. You can see all the column values related to order status is prefixed with order status is by using concat function. Now let's run this query. So I have created a named query called as data underscore separated by using union operation between three select queries, which will simulate as if we have a table with the three records. You can see the records here. It have three columns, year, month and my date. In this case, I want to concatenate all these three with the hyphen. We can either use concat or concat underscore ws. However, concat underscore ws will make it a bit more readable. However, if you want to use concat, you just have to say concat the year, which is nothing but year column, and then derived month. If the month is less than 2 characters, I want to lpad with zeros. That's what I'm doing here, using lpad of month, comma 2, comma 0. Then again hyphen, which is nothing but a delimiter. Then again lpad of my date to get the date with at least 2 characters. Now you should be able to run this and you can see the results the way we want. We can see the full date with the hyphen as delimiter between year and derived month to 2 characters and derived date to 2 characters using lpad. Now you can use concat underscore ws. First argument will be the delimiter. Then we can actually specify the columns which we want to concatenate using the delimiter specified as part of the first argument. This will also give the same results. However, this approach is a bit more readable compared to concat when we wanted to add delimiter between all the column values while concatenating them. This is how you should be able to concatenate multiple strings or column values either by using concat or concat underscore ws.